In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy, sell, take profit, and set a stop loss using limit orders and OCO on Binance. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency can be daunting, but mastering these fundamental trading techniques will significantly enhance your trading prowess. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively manage your trades on Binance. To start, you'll need to access the trading interface on Binance. This is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Navigate to the Trade tab on the platform. Once there, choose Spot from the drop-down menu. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell instantly for immediate settlement, making it a popular choice for traders who wish to execute their trades without delay. Now let's talk about limit orders. This is a type of order that allows you to specify a price at which you want to buy or sell. This can be very useful when you have a target price in mind and want to wait for the market to reach it before executing a trade. Once you're on the spot trading section, you'll see options to set the price and amount for your trade. Simply input the price at which you're comfortable buying or selling, as well as the amount you wish to trade. After entering these details, click buy if you're entering a market position or sell if you're exiting. Keep in mind that your order will only be filled if the market reaches your specified price. Next, let's move on to the OCO order, which stands for one cancels the other. This type of order is a powerful tool as it allows you to place two orders at once. It's useful if you want to set both a take profit and a stop loss on a trade simultaneously without having to constantly monitor the market. To set an OCO order, select it from the order type menu. This unique feature offers extra security and flexibility, especially in volatile markets. When setting up the OCO order, you'll need to carefully enter three key parameters. First, set the price at which you wish to take profit. This is the level at which you'd like to sell your assets for a profit. Then, specify the stop loss trigger price. This is the price that, when reached, will activate a stop loss order to prevent further losses. Lastly, enter the stop loss limit price. It's crucial to note that this should be below the trigger price, providing a safety net to lock in profits or cut losses. Once you've entered these values, tap on the sell button to place your OCO order. By understanding and utilizing limit orders and OCO, you arm yourself with the ability to execute well-planned trades, manage risks effectively, and ultimately optimize your trading strategy. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in navigating Binance's trading interface. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed trading tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy trading.